What's up, y'all? Got something different today. This is a 2016 YFZ450. My homie hit me up, he needed some work done to it, so we're gonna get some work done. It needs some miscellaneous nuts and bolts. It needs the battery box. It needs a starter relay. He needs the clutch basket swapped out because it has that spring clutch in it, and we're gonna switch it over to the bushing one. Today we're gonna do the starter relay and the radiator. Let's get started. So I got the old one out. Bent that is comparatively to the new one. That's bent too, compared to the new one. I wonder if that's bent, but I didn't take the hose off. I think it's cracked up here in the corner. Not sure. It's disgusting. We got this freshie. I've got to take that sensor off, put it in there, and we can drop this one in. Before I go ahead and hit that, got all new hoses, all new grommets, new cap, new bolts, new hose clamps, whole kit.
Adam?
So we're just waiting for Becky. She's just trying to find a cameraman for a microphone. She's carry on with how we are. This is what the weekend schedule looks like here in Italy. We are just about to kick off qualifying today at 4:30. The track has been tested by the drivers. The line is dialed. The drivers are dialed. All scores reset to 0. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for qualifying.
Okay. There's a wire in there somewhere.
Somewhere.
Drops in there for Michelle Landolfi. We start moving along now to our next wild card. From France this time it's going to be Anthony.
That's where I'm going to end this off tonight. I've got a slight wiring issue. I don't know if you heard me saying. Somebody spliced in a secondary starter button up on the handlebar. I don't know why you would do that. If you're going to do a secondary starter button, you should put it somewhere else. Somewhere hidden that it can't get hit. So if the original one fails, you have a backup. It is smart, but where it is not smart. Before I throw this back together, I'm going to get to the clutch basket in the next video. If you got this far, thank you. I appreciate you. But I'm going to call it a night. Thanks for watching. Peace.